Hello, everyone. Welcome to the introduction to the course How to Become a Travel Agent. And I'm going to go over what I'm going to go through in the course with you. So, to start, do you love to travel? Do you like helping your friends and family with their travel arrangements? Then learn how to start your own travel business in the travel industry. If you're considering getting into the travel business, this course will help you identify if this career is a good match for you. After you finish this course, you will be able to make an informed decision of whether you want to pursue this career or not. Who am I? My name is Dalia Quiñones, and I love to travel, and I have been in the travel industry since 2015. I'm a CTA, or Certified Travel Associate. I was certified by the Travel Institute, which is a leading organization in higher learning education for travel professionals in the United States. I've been a business owner since 2012. I own multiple businesses and I love to volunteer in nonprofit organizations that help women and support small businesses. I am currently a community ambassador with SCORE, which is a nonprofit organization that helps small businesses with free mentoring. So, brief introduction. This course will help you to become a travel agent. So, if you are contemplating becoming one and opening a travel agency, this course will help you. But this course is not about the job itself. We will not go over the day to day job of a travel agent. Instead, this course will help you understand what type of education and skills you need to become a travel agent and set up your travel business. This course is only for starting a travel business in the United States, as other countries have their own rules and regulations. The procedures to follow only work in the US. And you would need to set up a time to watch the presentations and do the assignments. And you will also need to do your own research. Nobody else can do that for you. You have to do it yourself. And you're going to need clients. But if you are already helping your friends and family with their travel arrangements, well, you already are ahead of the game. You already have clients. And if you also have a group that you travel with, you can travel for free. This is usually done with some of the tour operators where the group leader gets rewarded for putting a group together and they get to travel for free and they only pay taxes on it. So groups of 16 or more can take advantage of this, and I would ask the suppliers about this when you get into the business. If they have this arrangement, is a good idea to advertise this with your clients. So the topics that we're going to go over are: what are the travel agent benefits, how to become a travel agent, the types of training that's needed to become a travel agent, the skills needed to become a travel agent, how to set up your home-based travel business, the legal aspects of starting your own travel business, and how you will be paid. So again, some of the travel agent benefits, and I'm going to go through in depth, in the course, are you get free travel sometimes, and I will explain that in the course. There are also many challenges, and you need to know what those challenges are. I will tell you how to become a travel agent, the types of training that's needed, the skills that are needed, how you can find a job as a travel agent if you want to do that too, if you don't want to set up a business, how to set up your home-based travel business, and how you will be paid. I'm going to tell you the percentages and when you're going to be getting paid. So, if you were not convinced you wanted to be a travel agent after you take the course, that means that this career is not for you. And you will be able to make an informed decision about whether you want to become a travel agent or not at the end. So, to be or not to be, that is the question. So, this course can help you to answer that question or your question. Um, So this course is available online at www.hotmart.com. Search for how to become a travel agent and you will find it. You can complete this course at your own pace. It consists of recorded presentations and assignments. Um, And if you have any questions, because I know you might have more questions about, about the course, you can leave them here in the chat if you have a question, or you can send me an email at dalia@daliastravel.com, or you can visit my website, daliastravel.com, and I will try to answer your questions. But if you go to hotmart.com, under the course page, you will find all the information about the course. And like I said, if you have any extra questions, you can send me an email or go to my webpage. Well, thank you so much for watching this introduction. I hope it helped you a little bit to know more about the course, and I wish you the best in all of your endeavors. Bye bye.